So I haven't done anything, nothing, zilch. Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to work in my PR planner, which is a DIY disc-bound planner using blush pink tool discs from Office Depot. The cover is also a tool cover from Office Depot, and I think this is considered rose gold. And this is kind of what it's looking like. I have not been using it like I should, but I have already put the August inserts in here. These are printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. So I haven't done anything, nothing, zilch. So this was the last spread that I did in this planner. As you can see, I didn't do anything. I don't know what my problem is. This past week, I didn't do anything. I didn't even decorate. So I may go back and decorate because I have some things I kind of want to play around with. So I may use this week to do that. So I'm going to be working on this week, which is the 15th through the 21st of August 2022. And I have some PR for my PR planner from COCO'S Vision. It's been a while since I have received anything from them or ordered anything from them, so I'm excited to see what I have here. It's fairly thick, so let's see. Ooh, okay, oh, this is a sticker book, I think. Let's see. Best wishes. So this is like a thank you card. Oh, wow. Let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, there's a glare because these are glossy. And glossy is really not my jam because of the glare issue. But we're going to work with it and see what we can do. So you get all these dolls. Self-love. Okay. I'm kind of just flipping through because I'm also thinking about which dolls I want to use for this spread, or what kind of theme I want to go with for this spread. I like that with the umbrella. I like the girl in the chair too. Hopefully you can see these without too much glare. I can't turn the light off because I'm not doing this in the daytime. These are cute. Okay. Daily affirmation. God's masterpiece. I like her. She gives me vibes, even though I'm not that young anymore. Okay. You matter, be you, never give up. This world can wait. There is power inside you. I am strong. Love yourself. Okay. Good morning, gorgeous. First, love yourself. Got different skin tones. Let's see. Anointed, highly favored. Boss babe. Okay. So that is it for that. I'm guessing that, oh no, this is different, I think. Let's look at the other one before we get to the individual stickers. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is COCO'S Visions, creating dolls one vision at a time. That's what the back looks like. I thought they were two of the same, but they are not. Okay, let's see what's in. Ooh, I like the pink right off the bat. Hopefully you can see. So we got the USA, and then we got like the Juneteenth look, or Black History Month. You could use it for that. Grand Melanin Poppin'. Pray More, Worry Less. We got the Gentleman. Got that Afrocentric look. Lucky Blessed. Oh, we got quotes. Okay, got 2 pages of those. 3 pages, probably 4, yes. I like her. These are nice. She's pretty cool. Lots of dolls. I like her too. Okay, so much to choose from. I don't know what to go with at this point. Okay, so that is everything. It doesn't say how many pages. I don't think I want to count. But these are available at COCO'S Vision Shop. I will put the link in the description box below so you can go check them out. Wow, these are really nice. Heavy on the self-love. Decisions. Okay. So I'm going to tuck these back in so I don't lose them. Then I also received, I think these are the new releases from COCO'S Vision. Okay. So this is a thank you for card. Okay. Then here we go with the stickers. Okay. Shara, maybe. Ayana. Falling in Love. Flawless. Quinn. Kama. I can't do the names. Kashaya, I don't know. This kind of, I don't know if I can use that with something else I'm working on. Marie. Then we have Kamala. Jai. Taisha. Belle. And Ganya. Oh, I missed one. It's Coffee O'Clock, Wine O'Clock. Okay. So that is everything from COCO'S Vision. What do I want to use? Okay. So I keep coming back to this page. I think I want to use something from here, like her. I don't know why I'm just drawn to it. Maybe it is the pink. Not sure, but let me pull out some pink washi. And I think I'm going to use, ooh, I can use this. Perfect. I don't know what else I'm going to use with it. But let's see how it goes. So I'm going to keep this next to me so I can be inspired. Hopefully you saw some of that in frame. Let's zoom back out a little bit and get started. This washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I'm going to put it on inside the box. Let's do it like that. This tape is a little sticky. I wonder if it's on the verge of going bad. Let's see how they lay. They look very photographic. So let's see. I'm gonna put her on right here on Tuesday. I guess the glare is not too bad. And then I'm gonna take this little table. Let's see if they can peel up. Yep. They're very sticky though. Okay, I pulled out this florals book from Michael's. It's called Floral. It is from 2020. And this is just like a little glimpse of what's in here. Haven't used it for a while. But I'm kind of like hoarding these greenery stickers because I think they are just beautiful. As are, those are nice too. All of that, I love it. But this also has some pink florals in it that I really like these. It's not quite the right pink though, but it could work. So I'm thinking I could use the shiny ones on this spread. I don't know why these don't want to really come up without giving me a fit. I'm going to use This Is My Season. I like that one. And where shall we put it? I think I'm going to put it down here. And let it fall behind this leaf. Seems like I'm always doing my layering backwards. Even though this isn't a whole lot of layering, it's just a little bit. Let's move it up a little bit. Let's put this goals box here. These boxes that I'm picking from are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. It's part of a kit with different colorways that I release pretty much every month. All right, that gives me a little bit more balance. So let's pop this back in. See what we've got. The doll, the plant, and the quote are from COCO'S Vision. The florals are from a Michael's sticker book. The boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, patron elites. And the goals to do stickers are also available on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded, and the inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. And the inspiration for this spread is from the COCO'S Vision sticker books. I will be definitely using these, so go check them out. These are nice books with lots of stickers, and if you like glossy stickers, you're gonna love these. Okay, just look at the individual sticker sheets one more time just quickly. COCO'S Vision, my discount code will be in the description box below, so you can go check them out. Okay, so that's everything from COCO'S Vision. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.